Hey YouTube, it's Trin, and today I'll be doing a tutorial on this really cute, funky pixie cut weave. If you would like to see how I got this style, just please keep on watching. First, we are going to start with our foundation. I am going to braid her hair into a circle. Make sure that the braids are small around the edges because we need this to lay very flat. The braids don't have to be really tight. We will be sewing her cap around the edges, and we don't want to put too much tension on her edges and cause any hair loss. So make sure that you just have a nice firm braid, but not too tight. Once the foundation is complete, then I add 2 wig caps and a layer of the Growth Protect solution. This is my preference. I always like extra protection from the hair glue, but if you choose to just use 1 cap and the Growth Protect solution, that will be fine as well. Once the head is completely dry, then you will go in and sew around the edges and then cut the excess cap off. Now we are ready to lay our tracks. Your first track you will lay on the very edge of the cap at the bottom. And then just continue to follow the shape of the head all the way till you reach the top. Now here comes the fun part. We will be using a razor comb to shape this style. continue shaving off hair until this is nice and flat, and just go in with your razor comb on a slant to take out the bulk. Make sure that you are not going in too deep, because it's so easy to cut off a chunk of hair while doing this. So take your time, don't rush, and continue to just shave the back, shave the sides until it's how you like it. For her bang, I decided to add a few pieces of pink here to give her a pop of color and make it a little bit more funky. Hey girl. All right, we are finished. This look was so cute and fun. I'll also be doing a tutorial on how to do this style in a wig. If you are interested in that, please comment and let me know if that's something that you will like. I love it. Let me know how you guys like this style. You can add your touch to it, whatever you want to change or switch up. You don't have to do everything exactly how I did it. This is how I do it, but we all know there's 10 different ways to skin a cat, right? So go ahead and put your own touch to it. Let me know how it comes out for you, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. There will be so many more tutorials I can't wait to do with you guys. And I will talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye.